Welcome back to the allotment 2023. It's what are we, 5th, 6th, 7th of November today, and we've had some torrential rain and pretty flooded actually. Compared to the summertime when we had a drought, we're inundated with water. So where are we up to? Right, well, I covered the parsnips up under here with a bit of fleece, so the trees are flattening it a bit, but I'm trying to keep the parsnips in as long as possible, just to let them get a bit more growth on them. There are Brussels sprouts under there, very, very tiny when I covered them up, so we'll just leave them for the moment. As you can see, water everywhere. These are the other parsnips. They were quite small, but covering them up, just trying to save them. Bit of celery left. A second raspberry growth is on. I'll pick those before I leave. Oh, I've got to show you over here now. Now we've got rid of the timber, we have quite a big area. So my plan for this coming season is, or next season, is if anybody's giving any greenhouses away again, I'm going to put one at the back of there, because that's a flagged area, so I can do as I did before, put a greenhouse there. And then this area here, possibly get another greenhouse on here, because it's quite a big working area. I don't need it, so I may get a greenhouse on that. Well, these strawberries are coming out, either being thrown away or replanted. It doesn't get enough sun there, so I'm thinking of putting them over this area. Let's get rid of all this water. Oh, it's amazing. From a drought to a flood. Yeah, flooded everywhere. And when I say flooded, I mean flooded. This is about as far as I can get. That is just 18 inches of water. So still plenty of apples to fall. All underneath there is rubble. The middle bit's not too bad, could probably salvage something from that. Over there's rubble as well. This side we'll just flatten it off this year. Let's see what we can do with it. It's raining again. The beans are finished, but I'm just letting the last few grow to big ones so I can get some seeds out of them. Into the greenhouse. That's a new lot of strawberry plants. Under here, and some herbs. Looks like they've died off now. Some have anyway. into this greenhouse. We have the peppers. Hopefully they will survive the winter. This side we have more peppers and some aubergines. May have a caterpillar in there actually. It looks like the leaves have been eaten. Need to check that in a moment. In fact, there might be more than one caterpillar. Something's eating them. Maybe slugs. All looking a bit sad really. And as the rain comes down again. No doubt in a few months I'll be shouting drought again. The tree is yet to lose all those leaves. It's slowly coming down. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and hopefully next time I do a video it won't be raining like this. Thanks for joining me. Catch you later.